In this video, I'd like to discuss the metric system and how to convert units. So, what is the metric system? The metric system is a system of measurement that uses the gram as the unit of mass and weight, the liter as the unit of volume, and the meter as the unit of length. Now, in the metric system, we use prefixes to adjust these units to indicate larger or smaller amounts. For example, the prefix deca means 10, indicating 10 units. The prefix hecto means 100, so that's 100 units. The prefix kilo means 1,000, so that's 1,000 units. And on the smaller side, the prefix deci means 1/10, so that's 1/10 of a unit. The prefix centi means 100th, so that's 100th of a unit. And finally, the prefix milli means 1,000th, so that's 1,000th of a unit. So the prefixes of the metric system are placed in this order, from larger factors to smaller factors. Now, whether you're dealing with meters, liters, or grams, since each unit is 10 times larger than a unit to the right and 10 times smaller than a unit to the left, the order of the prefixes allows us to easily convert from one unit to another through multiplication or division by powers of 10. Now, since multiplying moves the decimal of a number to the right and dividing moves the decimal of a number to the left, we can convert units by simply counting the number of places from one prefix to another prefix and moving the decimal that number of places. So we simply need to determine where we should start on the conversion line and where we should stop. Now, to show how this works, I'll start with the unit of mass and weight, the gram, and convert from kilogram, which has the abbreviation kg, to hectogram, which has the abbreviation hg. So, let's convert 2.75 kilograms. Now, we're converting from kilograms, so this means we start at the prefix kilo on the conversion line. And we're converting to hectograms, so this means we'll need to stop at the prefix hecto on the conversion line. Now, as you can see, hecto is one space to the right of kilo, which means that hectograms are 10 times lighter than kilograms. And when converting from a larger unit to a smaller unit, you need to multiply. So in this case, we multiply 2.75 kilograms by 10, which means we simply take the decimal in the number 2.75 and move it one space to the right. Therefore, 2.75 kilograms is equal to 27.5 hectograms. Now, in the next example, we'll use the unit of volume, the liter, to convert from milliliter, which has the abbreviation ml, to deciliter, which has the abbreviation dl. So, let's convert 500 milliliters. Now, we're converting milliliters, so this means we start at the prefix milli on the conversion line. And we're converting to deciliters, so this means we'll need to stop at the prefix deci on the conversion line. Now, as you can see, deci is two spaces to the left of milli, which means that deciliters are 100 times larger than milliliters. And when you're converting from a smaller unit to a larger unit, you need to divide. So in this case, we divide 500 milliliters by 100, which means we simply move the decimal in the number 500 two spaces to the left. Therefore, 500 milliliters is equal to 5 deciliters. Now, in the final example, we'll use the unit of length, the meter, to convert from kilometer, which has the abbreviation km, to meter, which has the abbreviation m. So, let's convert 8.95 kilometers. Now, we're converting from kilometers, so this means we need to start at the prefix kilo on the conversion line, and we're converting to meters, so this means we'll need to stop at the unit meter on the conversion line. Now, as you can see, meter is 3 spaces to the right of kilo, which means that meters are 1,000 times shorter than kilometers. And when you're converting a larger unit to a smaller unit, you need to multiply. So in this case, we should multiply 8.95 kilometers by 1,000, which means we simply take the decimal in the number 8.95 and move it 3 places to the right. Therefore, 8.95 kilometers is equal to 8,950 meters. If you like this video, please subscribe to Mr. McLean Math. And also, be sure to click all so that you get notifications when new math videos are uploaded. Thank you for watching.